Hi, my name's Ian Moore. I'm a professor of civil engineering here at Queen's, and my area of research is investigating buried pipe behaviour and the way the pipes interact with the soil. Pipes are important to Canada because we rely on them for our water supply, for transporting wastewater away from our homes and businesses, for supplying oil and gas. And of course our cities and also our rural and environments rely on these structures. So the very first time I got interested in buried pipes was actually as a high school student. One of my father's friends took me along to a construction site where they were building a new community, and I got to see them putting in the clay sewer pipes. Since then I've worked with many people, wonderful graduate students here at Queen's and other institutions, wonderful colleagues, and each person that I've worked with has really shown me different gifts, different interests, and all of this is inspiring in terms of solving the next lot of problems. And a contribution to, let's say, pipe design or pipe construction practice, some sort of practical outcome of the mathematics and the experimental work that we do here at the laboratory.